Hey guys! Welcome to our new video. Anastasiya Berthier is a Russian curvy fashion model, Instagram celebrity, and social media influencer. She rose to fame on social media platforms, especially on Instagram for sharing her curvaceous, sizzling, lifestyle, and modeling photos. She is also known for uploading her paintings and sketches on Instagram. Anastasiya was born and brought up in Russia along with family and relatives. Having been passionate about art, modeling, photography, and fashion from a very young age, she began her career on Instagram by sharing her photos and videos. She gained popularity as a curvy model on Instagram as her photos and videos amassed thousands of likes on social media. In addition to modeling, Anastasiya is popular for sharing her paintings, graphic designs, and photos on her other Instagram @Berthier, which has several thousand followers so far. With rising fame, various sports, apparel, and business brands including Dollskill have chosen her as the face of their products. Anastasiya Berthier's age is 25 years. She is 52-63 tall, and her weight is approximately 71 kg. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Famous Plus is Model from Hungary. She described herself as a soul healer. She also modeled for several fashion brands. She got popular for her acts.she has a huge fan following. She is among one of the most trending girls on Instagram.she secured contracts with a number of popular brands, including Fashion Nova. She usually shares her fashionable outfits and modeling photos over her Instagram. She has continued to increase her popularity across several social media platforms. Her massive following that can be largely attributed to her ingenuity and creativity has attracted the attention of several brands across the globe. She broke into prominence for her amazing looks, cute smile style, and fantastic personality, growing her popularity for her captivating images and videos. Her social media presence is growing at an astounding pace. We walk you through all about her. Check out her wiki, age, family, facts, and more. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Lilli Luxe Natalie Renee is an American plus-size model well known for sharing modeling pictures in outfits, swimwear, and lingerie. Additionally, Lilli is well known for founding her own community of women, confident curves, and radiant minds. Luxe resides in Valencia, Spain. Luxe is 30 years old. As of 2019, she was born on December 15, 1989, in Fort Worth, Texas, United States. She celebrates her birthday every December 15th of every year, and her birth sign is Sagittarius. Lilli will be turning 31 years old on December 15, 2020. Luxe stands at a height of 5 feet 9 inches, 1.75, and Luxe is yet to share her weight with the public. We will update this section when the information is available. Details regarding her educational background are not disclosed at the moment. We will update this section once we get any information about the schools she attended or what she studied in college. Luxe was born and raised by her parents in Fort Worth. Our efforts to find out more about her family came to no avail as no such information is publicly available. Thus, the identity of Lilli's parents is still unclear. It is also not known if she has any siblings. We will update this section once this information is available. Luxe has not gone public with her relationship. It is not publicly known whether she is married or in a relationship. Her partner's information will be updated as soon as the information is available. Full names: Natalie Renee, popular as Lilli Luxe, gender, female, occupation, plus-size model, nationality, American race, ethnicity, white, religion, updating sexual orientation, straight, net worth, $500K, $1 million salary, under review, source of income, plus-size model. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.